How to delete search history on TikTok. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your search history on TikTok. To delete search history, you need to open your TikTok app. Once you open your TikTok app, here you will see a search icon on the top right corner. Click on it. And here you can see your recent searches. You can delete any of search you want, or you can also clear them all like this. Clear search history. All your search history will be deleted and it can't be recovered. Click on clear. And the second method is to go back. And here you need to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then you need to click on these three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Click on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down a little bit, and in this content and display section you will see an option of activity center. Tap on it. Then you need to click on search history, and here you will see your search history. You can also delete your search history from here. So that wraps up this tutorial. I hope you liked the video. If you have any question, please share it in the comment section below. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.